everyone, today, I'm going to share the importance of beetroot, cucumber, and celery juice and explore the health benefits they offer. Beetroot is a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, it's also a great source of fiber, which helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Cucumber, on the other hand, is a hydrating superfood rich in vitamin K and potassium. It's also a good source of vitamin C, which is crucial for immune health. Lastly, let's talk about celery. It's low in calories but high in nutrients, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium. It's also a good source of antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage. So, why not give this refreshing and healthy juice a try? Combine 3 small beetroot, 1/2 cucumber, and 2 stalks of celery in a juicer, and enjoy the benefits of these 3 superfoods. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy, stay happy.